Hello and welcome to the ET BFSI Convert Summit 2024. I am Shreya Chakrabarti and with me is Miss Bhuvana Iyer from IBM. Hello ma'am, nice to have you here.
Hi, good to be here.
Please share your overall experience at the summit.
So, first of all, very insightful and multiple perspectives from banks, fintech, and of course we had the keynote. So, and our demo ped is also sort of vibing with energy. So, enjoying it so far.
Good to hear that ma'am. Moving forward to my next question, how to build trust through tech?
So, in my mind, see, in a technology ecosystem, there are three aspects to trust. One is the user adoption, successful user adoption, the cost of that digital or technology transformation, and third is the risk and governance aspect. Now, it's a collaborative effort between the product or OEM that is, bringing in the change, the product as well as the implementation, whether it's within a banking organization, an insurance organization, or any of the services company. I think you have to come together to be able to help the user adopt it, and they should sort of see the journey of it. May not be ROI, point in time ROI use case, but as time goes by, how do you successfully bring in that ROI? I think that those three tenets have to come together to build that trust.
Yes, definitely. Moving to my next question. What is the roadmap of India's economy with the new tools like AI?
Well, I mean, I get excited when I hear that question. I mean, of course, the whole world is viewing India as the growth economy, and it's exciting because as in the keynote we heard Mr. Subara also say that beyond servicing, now I think it's a joint responsibility of all the leaders to bring in more employment within manufacturing, BFSI. And we're already seeing, let's say, cloud storage services, a lot of products which are AI driven, built in India, right? Grown for India, whether it is vernacular, AI bots. So I think jointly, if we could embrace that to, bring in change within organizations, I think that would be a game changer for India.